Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is a really surprising one. This one is from SHEIN. I have never tried SHEIN wigs before, but I am a SHEIN lover. Y'all have seen plenty of SHEIN on my channel. So today I am trying out the number 4 brown color transparent lace front wig. It is human hair and it is in a reddish brown shade. It has 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. It has a 13x4 pre-plucked hairline and is 180 density. So I went ahead and used my Ebon lace spray. I use the medium dark brown, and I do 2 coats. So I spray the first coat, let it dry, spray the next coat. So then I just grabbed a wig cap. I buy these off of Amazon, and I grabbed my lace wig grip. This one is also from Amazon. I will leave a link so you guys can check out these wig grips and wig caps. I'll also leave a link to this hair because you guys, I was pleasantly surprised. I was a little wary. I was not sure what to expect. Because like I said, I didn't even know SHEIN was selling human hair wigs, let alone quality ones. I was like so confused. Today I did use my Ebon adhesive spray because I usually just wear my wigs for the day. Again, just like my lace tint spray, I do 2 coats. The first coat I let air dry, and then I do the second coat and go ahead and put the wig into place. So I usually just use a rat tail comb to go ahead and place the wig where I want it and go ahead and just kind of mush it into the adhesive spray. And then I just use my clips to clip the hair back, and then I go ahead and use a lace melt band to go ahead and let this melt in for the first round. I do 2 rounds of lace adhesive spray. This is the first round, and then I'll go ahead and put the lace melt band on, and then I'll do another round after I cut off the lace. So after leaving the band on for about 15 minutes, I went ahead and took that off. Did a middle part because, I mean, what's any better than a bust down middle part in a gorgeous long straight wig? Like, it's got to be a bust down middle part. Y'all already know what it is. So I went ahead and got my middle part together. I grabbed some clips to go ahead and put that where I wanted it, and went ahead and cut off the lace. These scissors are from Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link those down below as well. I do use these as cutting shears, but today I was just using them to cut the lace. I don't know where my little small scissors are. I really prefer to use my little small scissors when I do this step, but I was like, these are right here. I'll use them. Now I was definitely impressed with the lace. It was pretty thin, and the color of it was really good. It blended really well with my skin tone even before. Like, it wasn't super duper gray or just a weird shade. So when I cut the lace off, it didn't even look that bad as is. I was really like pleasantly surprised. But again, I'll do my second step with my lace melt spray. Just spray it again and go ahead and lay it down, so anything extra that might have lifted when I cut away the lace will go ahead and be laid down. So now it's time to work on the middle part. You know, when you have these bust down middle parts, you really do have to, you know, coax the hair to stay down and lay flat. So I use my Pie Shoe hairspray. That's from Amazon. I'll leave a link to that. And my pink hot comb, which is also from in my storefront, I'll leave a link to. So I just use my hot comb to just lay down, you know, layer by layer, of the frontal just to make sure that it is laid down and really going to stay where I put it. So this hairspray is nice. It's not too heavy, it's lightweight, and it's not too hard. It doesn't get super duper hard. So that's why I like to use it for this step. Now, as you can see, this hair takes the heat really well because I had my hot comb all the way up to the highest setting. Then I grabbed my babyless flat irons. I had these up to the highest setting and I straightened the hair. The middle part bust down, it's got to be straight. It's got to be stick straight. So this hot comb, this flat iron is perfect for that. Love this Babyless. I will leave a link to this as well. Swear by Babyless. I like all their products and I'm really loving this wig. The color is perfection. I love a warm chocolate brown for fall. I usually color my natural hair this shade in the fall. I skipped it this year, but you know, it's never too late. I might still do my warm brown because this is a shade that I really love and I think it looks really nice on my skin tone. So this was definitely giving me that fall vibe that I always love to have, this hair color. Now look at this lace, y'all. No makeup on. This is beautiful. This wig is really nice. So I'm gonna do my makeup and come back and show y'all the end result. So overall, I absolutely love this wig. I think this wig is beautiful. It's a decent density. I probably could go a little higher on the density, but in terms of the look of the wig, the lace, the way it's easy to lay down and style, I didn't have to pluck it. It's just beautiful. And it's crazy to say, I highly recommend this wig from SHEIN. Crazy. I have it linked down below if you guys have questions, and thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and do one thing for me. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.